The pulsing online light on your Spectrum modem indicates it's struggling to establish a stable connection with Spectrum's network. This means your internet likely isn't working. The light, usually amber or white, signifies a synchronization failure, preventing the modem from locking onto the correct frequency channel, typically 54 to 1002 MHz. This can stem from several issues, including loose or damaged coax cables, weak signal strength, signal attenuation, ideally my 15 to plus 15 dBm, or problems originating from Spectrum's end. Hardware issues account for 40% of cases, while 60% are environmental, such as cable damage. Don't ignore this signal, as resolving it is crucial for restoring your internet service. First, inspect all coax cable connections, ensuring they're tightly secured to both the modem and the wall outlet. If the cable is damaged, replace it. Loose or faulty cables are a frequent cause of the pulsing online light. Next, power cycle your modem by unplugging it for a full 60 seconds to clear any temporary glitches. This often resolves the issue. Plug it back in and wait for the lights to stabilize before checking the online indicator. If the problem persists, access your modem's web interface at 192.168.100.1 to check signal levels. Look for a signal-to-noise ratio above 30 dB. This measurement helps identify if interference or weak signals are causing the pulsing light. Bypass any splitters or amplifiers by connecting directly to the main cable line. These devices can introduce interference that leads to sync failures. Removing them helps determine if they're contributing to the pulsing online light. If these steps don't resolve the pulsing online light, use the My Spectrum app or call 1-833-267-6094 for further assistance. Spectrum support can arrange for a signal booster or modem replacement if needed. Remember to check their app or website for the latest self-diagnostic tools and firmware updates.